I made a really short video about the winch on the snowplow that got messed up because of water in here. And I realized I actually really don't need this winch here because I can use the winch from the ATV. So now I can empty this the way I want, and I can just add some kind of strap or something to keep this in place when it's not connected to the ATV. And I will always have it like this when I'm up there, so it frees up this one. And eventually I also want to change the winch on the ATV, but that's a later project. So I am going to transfer this winch to that snowplow, and I have opened it up to check the condition. As you can see, this one actually has a rubber gasket here, and it also has gaskets on these screws here, so there's no water and the condition looks really good. And that makes you wonder, there must be different manufacturer of this cheap kind of winch. So if you have one, let's hope it was this one with the rubber seals. So I was considering removing the motor and just keeping this winch part, but as you can see, there is a bearing down there, and you can also see the gears for the planetary gears. So I think I will actually use this whole part, and then maybe just transfer the wire to this one. And I'm gonna fill some more grease in here. Getting this back together is not super easy. So what I did here, these brushes, I took the cables and I twisted them around to hold them in place. There's a spring there, and there. You can see the spring is pushing that one. And now I will try to take this part and get it in here, and then put the whole assembly back together. All right, so first step is done. I'll have to let go of these cables so that the brushes press against the rotor. All right, so that first attempt, it failed miserably. Maybe you can just put it back like this and use the screwdriver to release the brushes. I need both hands. Aha! Success! I got it in place, and now all I have to do is take a small screwdriver and make sure that the brushes can move. Haha. You can't use this wire lock here because it's too small for the new wire. So I'll just put the screw back like that. So when it comes to snow equipment, make sure that you have everything ready before the snow. I'm always 100% prepared. Never surprised. At all. Because it makes everything so much easier when you prepare. Not wait until you have snow on the ground. So much easier. The winch wire here, and you see one of these goes out here, and that's the one that will go over there, and then this other side here comes like that, and that one is going to this side. So I think the easiest way to do this is just have a foot on this end here to get a little bit of resistance, and then yeah, already ruined it, but maybe something like that. Alright, so I think I had one foot here, and then just like did something like this, and from what I remember, it was like a real pain to do it. I hope I remember faulty, or I hope I remember it wrong. Whatever. What's going on here? This is starting to look good. Let's take this, get this in here, like that, out there, so, in there. Oh, Jesus. Before. So I got this together, but as you can see, there's no tension here, and these springs, they need to provide tension all the time, because otherwise it will just slip here, and that's not what I want. So I have to just get some tension on that spring here. This is how I get this tension on the springs, so I can do the final adjustment of the wire. That did not work 100%. I think it's locked here from the tensioner strap, so I'll have to try the other side. So if you want to do this, make sure you have a lot of patience. Let's try it out. Now what? So I need to tension this a little bit more, I see. I used that tensioner strap and got a decent pre-tension on these springs, and now it works. All right, that was me changing the winch on this electric angled snowplow, and it's time for me to do some snow plowing, but it's too dark to film, so I will film some other day. So anyway, thanks for watching, and bye. Gud vad det skräms.